Hello everyone. It's a pleasure for me to introduce to you TajweedMate. TajweedMate is an app that teaches you to read the Qur'an with Tajweed. It helps you learn proper pronunciation and takes you through all of the rules of Tajweed to follow when reading the Qur'an. As we can see here on the app, there are 4 sections: Ta'lim, Tajweed, Quiz, and Memorize. The Ta'lim section covers the basics of reading the Qur'an. If I click on it here, you can see that there's a list of lessons that will go over the Arabic letters and all the basic reading rules of Quranic Arabic. The Tajweed section is the next stage of lessons that cover all the advanced rules of Tajweed, some of which include rules of med, Idghaam, Iqlaab, and so on. If we click on a lesson here, for example, letters under Ta'lim, we can see that each lesson has a page of text explaining the particular subject of the lesson in detail, along with examples underneath, which when clicked, play sound recordings of how the example should be read and pronounced with proper Tajweed. If I click on this letter here,
Fa.
we can hear how it's supposed to be read. Now, there's a quiz made for almost every lesson that you can either take by clicking the quiz section and finding the corresponding lesson, or you can just click on the lesson, letters under Ta'lim, for example, and press the quiz link at the bottom of the lesson page. These quizzes are designed to test your knowledge and skill in each particular lesson. If we click on any quiz like this one here, you can see that the quizzes display Arabic statements or letters in each question for you to answer by submitting a voice recording of you reading that statement. You can record your reading by pressing this red button and speaking. The app will use voice recognition and machine learning to determine the correctness of your reading, after which it will give you a score from 0 to 100 for each question based on your pronunciation and expression. For example, if I try this one here by pressing the red button, Ba, I can see the score I get underneath. If you can't get it right, there will be an option to listen to the correct way to read the particular statement by pressing this button in the corner labeled Listen to Teacher.
Ba.
You can even listen to yourself by playing back your recordings through this second button. Ba. You can move to the next question by clicking this third button. Through these quizzes, you can test your knowledge and ability to read the Quran correctly according to each lesson related to Tajweed. Finally, there's a Memorize section that has several surahs from the Quran that you can read by clicking on them. For example, if you press Al-Fatiha, you can read it here, and you can listen to a correct reading by pressing the button with the book over here.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In addition, you can record yourself and listen to your own reading. Now here in the top right corner, if you press the button with the trophy, you can see your quiz scores report, which is a summary of all the quizzes you've taken, along with the scores you've gotten on them. You can even delete all of your quiz scores to start all over. Now here in the top left corner, you can open the app's quick settings and info. You can change some settings. You can also share this app on social media, email us, or even join our Telegram group. You can even change the language. If you want to help the development of this app, you can send us your sound recordings for us to train our speech recognition engine better. Anyways, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy and benefit from TajweedMate, your guide and friend to reading the Quran.